Happy Thirsty Thursday, my friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today, you guys, we're going to stuff our mini savings challenges. These are all freebies, which I've received from Batty Bankroll. And I'll link her channel down below so you can grab them if you're interested as well. Let's see how much we're stuffing today. We have 50. No, we don't have 50. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We have $40 here. And last time, all I did was roll and see which savings challenge was going to get money. I think today we're going to have to roll and see how much money is each savings challenge is going to get, because number 6 didn't get very much love, and it may not today too, but this is going to give us a little bit better chance to get number 6, something in numbers. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get started. Number 1 is getting $1. Next savings challenge getting 4, 2, 3, 4. Next savings challenge getting 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6, and we're back to number 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. All right, so we're going to take 3 away here. 5. All right, and here, how would I want to do this? Because we have 2 savings challenges, and I don't want an IOU. How about we just put 2 here, 1 here, because the IOUs are not my style. I try to avoid them at all costs. So all of my savings challenges, I have them set up where they're valued at each $2 for each symbol. And so we're adding today 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to color in 2. Which is awesome. And I struggled trying to get change for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But hopefully next Tuesday will be a little bit, I'll be more prepared. And, well, you know what? I like not being all that prepared, because then it's makes things interesting. This savings challenge is getting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Two, 4, 6, 8, and then we'll do half the heart for 9. In total, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. It's crazy. All right, next one's getting $6. 2, 4, 6. All right, so in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're adding $7 to this savings challenge. 2, 4, 6, and we'll color half for 7. Now in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. I'm really excited with the mix of savings challenges that I'm doing. Some of them are going to take a little longer, and some of them are going to go a lot quicker. We're adding $5, $6, $7 here. All right, 2, 4, 6, and we'll do half. In total, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The savings challenge is getting $7 as well. 5, 6, 7. So we will color in 6 or 6.5. No. We're adding 7, so we'll color in 3.5. 1, 2, 3, and then half. In this savings challenge, we now have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we didn't complete any savings challenges this week. I did decide to make this binder only for Tuesdays and Thursdays, so it will be for my Tiny Tuesdays and then Thirsty Thursdays. And so next week when we come back, hopefully we'll be able to get a couple of these done. Well, this one maybe, I guess it depends how we handle it. This one's pretty close. Yeah, we got a couple that are pretty close, so maybe we can go ahead and get those taken care of. I'd like to see some saving and completing some savings challenges because I want to add some funds into my sinking funds. But we'll see how things go. You guys, we did it. 2 videos tonight. So glad that I went ahead and decided to record both of them instead of trying to come back another day because the dreadful setup of the camera and everything like that. I just would prefer to get it bulk record. I wish I could record all of my videos in one day, but I just don't have the funds to do that. But when I'm able to, I like to record. So I'm hoping that you guys will come back again and enjoy my videos. There was a time when I was recording every single day, and at this point, it's starting to look like that's the way things are going for me. I don't want to hold myself to that, but I will continue trying to do everything I can in my power to keep recording, keep saving, and I don't know, I'm really excited to see what happens with my kiddo's birthday, so that's what's keeping me really motivated. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.